I'm gonna burst your bubble right from the start here and tell you making 10K a month is not easy, but it is totally doable. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you how I made 10K in a income breakdown type video without working on Friday. So I made all this money working from Monday through Thursday. Welcome back. My name is Trina if you are new here, and I am a YouTube strategist committed to helping you do YouTube better. And I have really used YouTube as my platform to help me get to that 10K. It helps me build my trust with my clients. It helps me get in front of new people to bring people into my business. So if you want to continue to learn to use YouTube the right way for your business, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, recently, I just had my first $10,000 a month revenue. I've been in business for about 4 years now, and I just hit that this year. I like to use the phrase, slow and steady wins the race, but here's the deal. I did not need to make 10K in my business to reach my goals. For me, my job is fun, and I want to keep it fun, and I don't want it to overwhelm my personal life. When I first got started in my business, I had this idea that I had to run this giant business and make $1 million if I wanted to be successful. What happened is I quickly became burnt out because my family doesn't need me to make $1 million. And I started my business to spend more time with my family. So if I was just going to stay running the rat race in my business, chasing this 7-figure business idea, I was totally missing the point in why I started my business. So after I had that burnout and kind of that epiphany, I knew the amount of money that I needed to come in every single month so that I could spend time with my family and not work on Fridays. But recently, I did just hit 10K a month without even working on Fridays, and I'm gonna share with you how I finally got there, so hopefully you can get there quicker. Just a little caveat here before we jump in. This 10K was not made by passive income, so money coming in while I sleep. There is really no such thing as passive income. You've got to take time and put in to build something. If you want to get passive income, launch it, strategize it, that type of thing. So I just want to be upfront with you all here. This is the work I put into getting to 10K. The first thing that I do, still to this day, as of right now, is I have client work. I work with one-on-one clients to this day. So one of my clients, I actually work for about 20 hours a week. So he takes up a chunk of my time. I enjoy working for him. I enjoy the team. So I continue to work with him. I also have 3 other one-on-one clients that I develop their YouTube strategy for. I upload their YouTube videos for them, and I also edit their videos. So that's kind of where the chunk of my time is spent, Monday through Thursdays, is with a lot of client work. And I enjoy it. I like editing those videos. I like those clients that I have. And so while it is work, it's not like really work to me. But that's where a big chunk of my money comes in every month. So now, since you know a lot of my time is taken up by client work, how am I getting to that 10K? Well, I recently launched a membership site. I was on the fence about launching this, whether or not to do it. And what I realized is I was going to be able to help more people like you get on YouTube and use it for their business if I created this membership opportunity. So last month I launched it. I had over 100 people jump in. And so now I can help them throughout the day. We have a call every single week. So that is technically 1 hour of my time each week, but we're doing challenges in there. I'm also responding to all their questions in Facebook. And so that allows me to like jump in during nap time or waiting for the kids to get dropped off at school or picked up at school. And that's allowed me to bring in a lot more money and with less of my time commitment. What takes up even less of my time now is my YouTube workflow blueprint. So I spent time creating a workflow for my YouTube videos that really works best for me. And then so many people asked me for it, I decided to start selling it. It took time to put into it. I obviously had to figure out the best workflow. I shot tutorial videos on how to use it. I shot tutorial videos on how to use Trello, which is what the workflow is on. I had to set up the sales page, and then I have a sales funnel through my email. So if somebody signs up for something, they go through a funnel that I then pitch them my Trello. And this technically helps me bring in money while I sleep. So I may wake up in the morning and see 4 or 5 Trello sales, but that's due to the fact that I put all that work in the front end to now get that income coming in while I sleep. I wouldn't know if you have any of these passive, so to speak, products or programs set up in your business yet. Let me know what they are down below. I can't wait to check it out. Now, I'm breaking these all down for you to show you how important it is to have multiple streams of income, because you're not going to reach your income goal just doing one of these things. Remember, you only have so many hours in a day, so you can't dump it all in client work unless you are charging them the amount of money that you really want to get to. You could totally charge like $10K a month for a client if that's the value of the work you're putting into it. So the fourth thing that I've done to hit 10K is affiliate sales. And I picked my affiliates very specifically. If I were to take every single affiliate that I get sent to me, every single video here on my YouTube channel would be to an affiliate. I'm very selective. I am an affiliate for TubeBuddy, which you have seen multiple videos here on my channel about, and I also live stream over on their channel every other month. And so I'm able to bring in consistent sales commissions from TubeBuddy. Every time that you click on my TubeBuddy link and you decide to get an account, I get a commission from that. I also recently was an affiliate for the Boss Project, which is formerly Think Creative Collective. I donated my YouTube workflow to them in a bundle of products for a certain amount of money. And then when I used my affiliate link, when somebody from my link bought, I got a commission from them as well. So that really helped me get to that 10K mark last month because it was such a great product. I believe in those girls. I believed in this bundle of products. And so that's why I used it. That's why I pitched it. Not only do I work with Think Creative Collective, which is now Boss Project, but I also have bought their products and I know they bring a lot of value. The fifth stream of income that I have is YouTube. I do make some money on AdSense, but I don't want to ruin it for you. It's not a lot. So I'm just about to hit 10K as I film this, 10K subscribers. And so I should be there by now, but I'm only bringing in about $100 to $200 a month on YouTube. Now, while that is some money, it's nothing major, right? So that's why it's so important to have these other streams of income to help you reach your revenue goal that you want to make every single month, and for you to understand what that goal needs to be, what that revenue goal needs to be to work for your family, because that's how I'm doing this, by not working on Fridays. Now, if you want to start using YouTube strategically in your business, make sure you click that video that is on your screen right now and subscribe to this channel, because like I said, I'm committed to helping you do YouTube better for your business. And I'm going to see you over in that next video, so click it right now.